I can usually tell who's new to Temu within the first minute, not because of what they buy, but because of what they do first. And it's the same mistake almost every beginner makes. When I first downloaded Temu, I did it too. I opened the app, started browsing, added a few products to my cart, and only then started searching for a coupon code. I thought that was the normal order. It wasn't. After watching countless tutorials, I noticed everyone had a different secret method. So I ignored the advice and ran my own comparison instead. Same account, similar products, different shopping sessions. The only thing I changed was when I used the coupon code. That's when everything clicked. The sessions where I waited until later felt ordinary. The coupon bundles were okay, the offers were decent, but nothing really stood out. Then I flipped the order. Before I searched for products, before I opened the free gift section, before I did anything else, I activated the code on the screen. That simple change consistently gave me a better starting point. I regularly noticed larger coupon bundles, stronger discount offers, extra reward opportunities, and a much more active free gift section. At first I thought it was coincidence, so I repeated the test over several shopping sessions. The results stayed surprisingly consistent. It wasn't that every reward was identical, it was that my overall experience kept improving whenever I started with the code on the screen instead of treating it as an afterthought. Now let's keep this realistic. Temu promotions change regularly and different accounts may receive different offers. No one can honestly promise the exact same rewards for everyone. But if there's one mistake I tell every new user to avoid, it's this. Don't make your coupon code the last step. Make it the first. That one change completely transformed my routine and consistently gave me better coupon bundles, stronger discounts, and more free gift opportunities than the random methods I tried. If you're new to Temu, don't repeat the mistake I made. Start with the code on the screen before you begin shopping, then come back and tell me if your experience felt better than using random codes later.